Hello friends, welcome to the introduction to Java. The topics are about Java, Java language specification, API, addition of Java and what is an IDE. Let's come to the first topic, that is about Java. It is developed at Sun Microsystem, which was purchased by later Oracle in 2010. It is used for general purpose and have very powerful programming language used for the developing software that run on mobile, desktop and also on servers. It is mainly a machine independent language, so we can use the code wherever whatever platform it may be, we can use the code. So the next topic is Java language specification, the syntax and semantics in Java. Example, if you want to write English, we follow some rules, that is English grammar. So also to write Java, we should follow some rules, that is syntax and semantics. For example, here he are playing, here syntax is error, means grammar is error. Instead of are, it should be is. It is called as syntax error in Java. Example 2, he is goodbye. It doesn't have any particular meaning, so in Java we called it as semantic error. Let's come to API, that is application programming interface, also known as a library. It contains predefined Java code that we can use to develop Java programs. It makes us to code faster and easier because the already predefined code is present in the library, so we can openly use that code. No need to write everything from the beginning or from the scratch. Let's come to editions in Java. Java comes in 3 editions, that is Java Standard Edition or Java SE, Java Enterprise Edition, Java EE, Java Micro Edition, Java ME. SE means develops apps that run on desktop. Java Enterprise Edition develops server side applications. Java Micro Editions develop mobile applications. If we learn Java Edition Standard Edition, then we can easily learn other 2 languages. JDK, Java Development Kit. It is a set of programs that enables us to develop our program. It means that whenever we want to write Java program, we want something. Everything is found in that Java Development Kit, that is a predefined codes. It contains JRE, Java Runtime Environment, that is used to run our programs. When we write our program, we execute programs that is executed in Java Runtime Environment. It contains JRE and JDK contains Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine executes our Java program on different machines. It enables us to the machine independent language because of JVM. So let's come to the last topic, that is IDE, Integrated Development Environment. It is a program that allows us to write our source code and also compile from Java code into the machine level language debug, which used to find the errors and solve the errors is found inside the IDE. It also contains build, which executes Java program in Java virtual machine, and finally we can run our code in after execution. So we can run our program easily within the integrated development environment.